was what he hired me to be.
Oh.
And they announced their end weight.
Part 3.
I'm fucking a lot happier than I was.
Yeah, it feels like it.
Hey!
It's all him!
It's all the guy in the
Hey,
white
Jeff,
hat.
I never changed the title, buddy. It's in your name, brother. I knew you was going to try to get me, but I got you.
But I mean, don't you think it was worth it? I knew you weren't going to. Better.
We get these markers. They want you to push, like during the claim, they want you to push their certain. And Sam sat down in my office. He came in. He was ready to do business with me. And this guy's like, you know, pushing 60 years old. And he was ready to do business with me. And I said, no, you're not here. He's not here. And I told him, I said, I'm out of this. I was extremely frustrated. And he came back 2 hours later and gave me John's card. He said, talk to him before you decide to give it up. He said, I really think that you are really good at what you do. His card sat on my desk for 2 weeks. And I called him, and then they called Glenn and Jeff as references, and then one of my customers, and they said it was a no-brainer. Once we talked to the people that you dealt with business-wise, and Sam told us about you, we talked to a couple of your friends.
I don't know.
We knew
How are you thinking about
that you fit in just fine.
I'm a stalker.
Fucking right. Finally a place where somebody wants you. That's awesome. Now I gotta work a ton of hours.
Hey! Tim, up in here,
I
you
don't
have a
to,
forest
but I've
fire,
got
damn
to
it.
if I want this agency.
Oh yeah, I gotta watch out for those forest fires. Heat advisory.
Adam called me and said it wasn't a good idea to do fireworks tonight because of forest
Dude, I was afraid.
No, he is actually kind of right. If it
You
wouldn't
know
have
it's
rained, it
drier
would have
than
been a bad
shit.
idea.
Is it a
It's
goddamn
been raining almost every night.
Is it 150?
No.
And the dude's going to set
go,
anyway.
Okay, we're on to part 4, which is more of the little ones that you just saw.